Hey guys, welcome back to the Deacstr. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. So what we have here is a Dyson handheld, and so what we are going to do today is give it a new battery. And so if you don't know, you can just buy a new battery off Amazon. And so how do you get to the battery, you might ask? So there is one screw right here, then there are two screws right here. And so how you get to the two bottom screws, you pull it up, it opens, and make sure there's not too much in here to give you a heart attack. And so now let's take the screws out. So now we've gotten the screws out from both, and it just comes out just like that. So now let's try to put the new one in. And there you go, it goes just in like that. Now you put the screws back in. So there you go, guys. That is how you change the battery on a Dyson handheld. Goodbye.